Yo, how's it going, folks? It's me again, your boy Tabo, and yeah, just want to take you through this bit. Okay, so this is based on the previous tutorial that I created. It's the same code base. I just changed a few things. So I've got this nice HTML setup with inputs that help me to then just scroll through and get the different shapes. So what is different this time is just how I multiply the vertices. I used a different formula. So this is more accurate, like it brings up nice shapes, and the offset is a lot more even. Okay, it's a nice offset which is even. So unlike the last one, which was a bit rough, this is a lot better. So that's why you get all these nice shapes, so you can play around with all of this. So if I take you to the code, yeah, over here. So I've got this set up. I'm just gonna take you to the previous tutorial. This is the formula that I used. So it was t times I, which I multiplied by the index and then divided by whatever number over here. Whereas this is different. I just add the index to the time and then I multiplied by this value, which is 0.15. If I take you to the input, then you can see this is the value that I'm using right here. So when you scroll with the input, then it's basically incrementing by 0.15, and that's how you get that nice offset. So yeah, this is what I just wanted to share with you. You can go through the code. I'll just put it up on GitHub, so check it out, play around with it, do whatever you like, and yeah, that's it. Just wanted to make it a quick one and just show you what I did. So love and peace. I'm out, my brothers and sisters.